G'day YouTube, Quacker John here. Today I'm taking the decibel reading of the stock exhaust on my Kawasaki Vulcan SE. Okay, well I've downloaded a decibel meter onto my iPhone. I don't know how accurate this decibel meter is, but I will be able to do a comparison between the stock exhaust on the Vulcan S and the Musarri exhaust when it arrives. I've already warmed up the Vulcan S, so the automatic choke won't be on when I start her up, and I'll take a decibel reading of it right now. This is a decibel reading at idling, and then at 4,000 revs. So we can see that it has a maximum reading of 86 decibels at idling and an average of 70, 71. So now I'll take it up to 4,000 revs. Okay, I actually took it to 5,000 revs and it has a maximum reading of 90 decibel at 5,000 revs and an average reading of 74.4 decibels. Now, 95 decibels, your hearing loss, you begin to lose your hearing. A permanent loss of hearing. So at 95 decibels you need to wear earplugs. And Kawasaki has a stock exhaust at the right decibel reading so that you won't have permanent loss of hearing. Now I'm also in an enclosed garage, so that might make it louder than what it would be. I'll just give an update on the arrival of the Musarri Exhaust because I know quite a few people are looking forward to the review video. It has travelled from one side of the country of Australia to the other, from Perth to Sydney, and of course I'm in Brisbane. It took 6 days because of the COVID pandemic to travel from Perth to Sydney where it is today. So it then goes to Brisbane and then to my home. So hopefully it will be here in the next 3 or 4 days. Thanks for watching my video. If you enjoy my videos, subscribe to the channel. The Quacker John Vulcan S show is on every Friday night at 10 PM Brisbane, Australia time. You are most welcome to join in. You are most welcome to join the Quacker John chat room, and the link for your invitation to join the chat room is in the comments under the video. I have published a book called My Kawasaki Vulcan SE Adventures, and it is available on the Amazon website for $5 US. See ya.